My name is Katrina Hennings, and I'm the managing broker for our Lake offices out here in St. Clair County. When I have a new agent that's just learning everything, we want them to know that they have the support here. I'm very hands-on with my agents. I like to start with them from the very beginning, go through paperwork with them, show them how to pull their comps, get everything ready. I even go on their listing presentations. I'm going to be there with them for that support because I want them to learn step by step as they go through this process, so they will be very comfortable with selling, so they don't just jump out there and say, what do I do? Because we're here to have them ready.
She actually went with me to my first listing appointment, toured the house with me, made notes, and just kind of showed me what I should be doing as a listing agent. I did end up getting that listing, and I'm very excited about it. And she's still working with me step by step with it. And I've had a ton of questions, and I know I always tell her, I said, sorry if I'm bothering you too much, but she always says, no, you're not bothering me at all. So sweet, so kind, and doesn't make me feel like I'm a burden to her. Sometimes I'm calling her or texting her at 7 o'clock in the morning, and she's usually right there answering me right away. So that's nice as well.
They do not have to worry about being bogged down with paperwork. We've got our support team that will help them enter their listings. We also offer professional photographs. Just anything they need, our admin support is here to support them so they can just spend their time selling and listing. I mean, it frees them to do the things that they need to do.
ERA offers great support. Emma and Katrina, they're fantastic. Katrina's just so easygoing. She don't get upset, get all worked up. We come to her with the problem. She takes a deep breath and analyzes what's going on, and then we just work it out. Any needs I have, they're there. If they don't know it, they call somebody. They offer all kind of classes, and we've got tons and tons of support.